guys, I'm back. Hello? Excuse me, where's the celebration?
Flower, I'm tired of this.
Wow, what do you mean?
I mean, I'm tired of your self-centeredness. I'm tired of the way you act around us. You know what that means? I'm tired of you.
Bubble.
Flower, your unpopularity is your own fault. Everyone hates you because we can't stand how you talk only about yourself.
Okay, if that's the way you want to be, fine. If you don't want me, I don't want you.
Wait, what? Oh, Flower, what are you doing?
Bubble, you should have seen this coming.
Flower, you need to calm down.
Bubble, I'm sorry. Oh wait, I'm not. Oh, and it turns out that was the last Bubble Recovery Center ever.
Flower, you are an evil person. If that's how you're gonna treat others, then I think you need punishment.
Fiery, you do not kill a flower. How does that feel?
So...
OMG, we can play spongy cake.
Oh, I don't know what that is, but it sounds pretty dumb.
Aren't any of you concerned about the fact that we're in an unidentified flying object?
Okay, TB, take a chill pill. First off, it isn't unidentified.
What?
Match is right. It says announcer transportation device.
And second, it's not flying.
What do you mean? Of course it is.
Not anymore.
Teardrop, help me find out who has Dream Island. Can I? Sure, I'll help as well. So where do we start? Let's ask Leafy. She's on the other side of the gate.
Leafy, do you have Dream Island?
No,
Furry really needs that island. He deserves it.
I have to disagree with that. The way he acted was just wonderful.
Match, flip the switch back. Start flying again.
I can't. It's like a one-way lever or something.
There's all the other announcers.
No way.
Finally, no more vomit. Ice Cube, not worth it.
Flower, you've got to stop. Yeah, Flower, end this immediately.
Wow, that's the first time you two have ever agreed without arguing. I think.
Yeah.
Has Flower finally stopped her evil doings?
No.
I really don't know why Fiery would do that. It seems he turned from a nice, caring friend into a jerk. A hideous, unloving jerk with no feelings at all.
Leafy, I know you're upset, but that doesn't mean you have to call him names. Maybe we can talk about it. Stop that immediately! Flower, stop that immediately! I tell you, stop! Here goes that last and most important recovery center. I think my work here is done.
Don't you realize what you just did? All the damage you caused?
No, if anyone dies, they'll be gone forever.
And that's what I want. Bubble, you were nice to me sometimes, but not enough times. And to be honest, I'm not sad to see you go. Who's next?
Flower, calm down. Do you really want to do this?
Yes, of course I want to do this. That's why I...
What is going on?
Hey guys, OMG, I'm alive.
Yeah, but you killed someone else under your massive machine.
Oh my gosh, is it pencil? It better not be pencil.
It's Flower.
Well, that's good then.
Tennis ball, where's Woody?
He died.
Oh, he crashed pretty hard.
Now,
None of us could have it. I think Leafy deserves the death penalty.
Yeah!
I found Flower's announcer crusher. I'm pretty sure it'll do the job. Wow, good job, Pencil. Any last words, Leafy?
Yeah,
Pew, 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 pew.
Flower, calm down. Do you really want to do this?
Flower, empty Satan instant.
Do you have the budget?
Yes. Here.
I don't think that's money you said you had.
It looks fine.
Who gave it to you?
Leafy, why?
Are you absolutely sure that you didn't get tricked by her? Because that's a huge possibility.
What? I can't believe she did that to me.
Don't worry. We'll resolve the situation.
No. Wait here. I'll take care of it.
Fine. But be quick.
Smaller cat equals less plastic. Plastic! Time magazine! I am a banana! Yeah! Warning, cap is a small part and poses a choking hazard, particularly for children.